In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Need for Speed Heat. So there's multiple ways to download this game, but I'm going to show you a method so that you can get it for the cheapest price, of course. So I'm going to be getting it legally. So first app you can check it on is Epic Games. So let's check Epic Games. So make sure you have Epic Games Launcher. You can download it online for free. So, looks like I already searched it. And so you can just search it right here, go to store Need for Speed Heat, and then you'll find it right here. And as you can see, it's pretty expensive. So if you can get it from here, but there's other options. So let's look at Steam next. So there's Steam, and Need for Speed Heat is also here, as you can see. And looks like it's actually at a 95% so discount here. So this is a very good deal. You can get it for $4.49. And yeah, always make sure to check all the apps that have this game, such as Steam, Epic Games, or EA app. And yeah, so as you can see, you can get it for very cheap right now. Make sure to get it before this deal ends. And yeah, that's about it for this video. If you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.